SiriusXM climbed on Wednesday, August 21st after a $125 million agreement with popular podcaster Alex Cooper as Warren Buffett increased his stake to $400 million. Here are 7 highlights. 1. SiriusXM shares rose on Wednesday following a multi-year agreement too. The deal includes Cooper's Call Her Daddy, Show 3. SiriusXM's strategy involves developing exclusive content. 4. The announcement boosted SiriusXM shares by 6.9% on Tuesday. 5. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway increased its stake in SiriusXM, nearly $400 million position. 6. SiriusXM plans a 1-for-10 reverse stock split. 7. Buffett's investment suggests confidence in SiriusXM's financial health and future prospects. Now let's dive in. SiriusXM, Siri, shares climbed on Wednesday, August 21, 2024, following the announcement of a multi-year agreement with popular podcaster Alex Cooper, set to begin in 2025. The deal includes Cooper's Call Her Daddy show and ad sales rights to her Unwell Network. Meanwhile, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway made a significant move by increasing its stake in SiriusXM. An SEC filing revealed that Berkshire owned 132.9 million shares of SiriusXM by the end of June, up from 36.7 million just 3 months earlier, marking a nearly $400 million position in the company. The reasons behind this increase aren't entirely clear, as Buffett hasn't publicly explained his rationale. However, the move is notable given SiriusXM's recent struggles, including a 3% revenue decline in the second quarter, its second worst in 30 years. Despite concerns about slow revenue growth and the potential decline of the satellite radio model, the market appears to have deeply discounted SiriusXM, making it a compelling buy for investors like Buffett. According to CNN, the agreement with the popular podcaster Alex Cooper is valued at $125 million over 3 years, doubling her current deal with Spotify, Spot. Cooper, who hosts and executive produces Call Her Daddy, offers candid advice on relationships, health, and culture, and has been dubbed by SiriusXM as the world's leading female podcaster. SiriusXM highlighted that the deal involves a comprehensive strategy to develop exclusive content, which is expected to start rolling out in 2025. Scott Greenstein, SiriusXM's president and chief content officer, stated that Cooper's addition aligns with the content SiriusXM subscribers expect. The announcement boosted SiriusXM shares by 6.9% on Tuesday, with an additional 2.3% gain to $3.32 by noon ET on Wednesday. Despite this, the stock remains down nearly 40% for the year. Warren Buffett, renowned for his careful and strategic investment choices, has recently made waves by dramatically increasing his stake in SiriusXM Holdings Inc., Siri, by a substantial 262%. This move is particularly noteworthy as SiriusXM is on the verge of implementing a reverse stock split in the third quarter of 2024. Reverse stock splits are often seen as a sign of financial distress, typically undertaken to meet the minimum listing requirements of major exchanges. However, Buffett's significant investment suggests a more optimistic outlook on SiriusXM's financial health and future prospects. A reverse stock split is a type of corporate action that consolidates the number of existing shares of stock into fewer, higher-priced shares. A reverse stock split divides the existing total quantity of shares by a number such as 5 or 10, which would then be called a 1-for-5 or 1-for-10 reverse split, respectively. A reverse stock split also is known as a stock consolidation, stock merge, or share rollback and is the opposite of a stock split, where a share is divided, split, into multiple parts. So, maybe SiriusXM's reverse split could not signal a sign of weakness. While reverse stock splits are often viewed with caution, SiriusXM's strategic reasons for this move, combined with its unique market position and attractive valuation, have clearly influenced Buffett's investment decision. As the reverse split approaches and the merger is completed, the market will closely watch how these developments affect SiriusXM's stock performance and overall market standing. SiriusXM's upcoming reverse stock split is part of a broader strategy tied to its impending merger with Liberty Media's SiriusXM Tracking Stock Group. The company, which currently has a large number of outstanding shares, plans to execute a 1-for-10 reverse split once the merger is finalized. This consolidation of shares is a strategic restructuring effort, rather than a response to a potential delisting threat, highlighting the company's stability rather than financial vulnerability. This move indicates that SiriusXM is not at risk of being delisted and that the reverse split is not a sign of weakness. For investors like Buffett, this decision aligns with SiriusXM's broader strategic goals, making it an appealing investment despite the reverse split. So, why is Buffett investing heavily in SiriusXM? Buffett's decision to substantially increase his holdings in SiriusXM can be attributed to several key factors. First, SiriusXM operates as a legal monopoly in the U.S. satellite radio market. As the sole licensed satellite radio provider, it enjoys significant pricing power over its subscription services, helping it maintain a competitive edge against inflation. Additionally, approximately 77% of SiriusXM's revenue comes from subscriptions, as opposed to traditional radio operators that rely heavily on advertising revenue. This subscription-based model provides a more stable and predictable cash flow, making SiriusXM more resilient during economic downturns. Moreover, SiriusXM shares are currently trading at just 8 times forward earnings, a valuation not seen since the company went public in 1994. This historically low valuation is likely a key factor attracting value-oriented investors like Buffett. Buffett's increased stake in SiriusXM aligns with his broader investment strategy, which includes recent acquisitions like Ulta Beauty. By investing in SiriusXM, Buffett is betting on a company with a strong market position and a stable revenue model, despite the looming reverse stock split. This move reflects his confidence in SiriusXM's long-term potential and its ability to navigate economic uncertainties. Would you follow Buffett's decision? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Good luck and good profit.